Some people wake up every morning with fresh money in their account, earned while they slept, without checking a single email or taking a single client call. It's not because they have an exhausting side hustle, and it's not because of complex stock picks or real estate plays. It's because they own boring, simple businesses that almost nobody considers a real business, until they see how much money they bring in every single month. After analyzing dozens of low-maintenance income models, I put together the top 3 that anyone can replicate, and number 3 is going to sting a little, because you probably walked right past it and completely missed the opportunity. We're starting with a business model that most people instantly dismiss as nothing more than a kid's hobby: collectibles and trading card reselling. Here's how it actually works. You start with as little as a few $100s to buy massive, unorganized lots of cards or vintage items for pennies on the dollar. Then, you sort through them, get the rare ones graded, and flip those individual high-value items for massive profit margins. The secret here isn't luck. It's turning a tedious manual task, sorting items and matching market prices, into a disciplined, repeatable assembly line that generates predictable cash flow. Now, while trading cards require a bit of hands-on sorting, this next model introduces the ultimate master rule of building long-term wealth. Number 2 on the list is recurring revenue models. Most people ignore this approach because it lacks the quick, high-ticket payday. It starts slow. But here's the secret strategy that changes everything. Does your business pay you once, or does it pay you every single month? When you sell something once, you're stuck on an exhausting client treadmill where you constantly have to hunt for the next buyer. But with a recurring model, whether that's a digital subscription, a service retainer, or a membership, your income compounds. Every new member gets stacked on top of the last one, building true financial freedom over time. Which brings us to number 1. If you want the physical embodiment of passive, predictable cash flow that requires almost zero client interaction, this is it. Number 1 is the vending machine network. Most people look at a vending machine and write it off as an outdated relic from the 90s. What they don't realize is that modern smart machines use contactless card readers and real-time inventory tracking straight from your phone. With an initial startup cost of $2,000 to $5,000 per machine, a single well-placed location can net you anywhere from $300 to $1,000 in pure profit every month. You aren't just buying a machine here, you're acquiring the rights to monetize an unused corner in a busy gym, office, or hospital that was previously making $0. When I first started studying business strategy, I wasted years chasing the brilliant idea, the revolutionary concept that nobody had ever thought of before. What I finally realized is that almost nobody gets rich by inventing something brand new. They get rich by executing something boring, old, and proven, better and more consistently than everyone else. For every viral story of a tech founder building an empire in a garage, there are thousands of quiet stories of everyday people who bought a fleet of vending machines, a laundromat, or a parking lot, and built enough passive wealth to retire comfortably without the world ever knowing their name.